Hey, it's Shauna from Bathtubber here. I've been working out in my garden and, well, working up a sweat because I do live in Texas. But I can't wait to go inside and use my sugar scrub that I made. You know, sugar is a natural exfoliant, and this sugar scrub has green tea and mint, so it's super refreshing. Now, all of our skin regenerates every 28 days, and the top layer of dead cells comes off. But as you age, your skin could use a little more help exfoliating to stay healthy. So that's what our sugar scrub's gonna do. So come inside with me and I'll show you how to make it super fast and super easy. This is gonna feel so good on your skin. So we're gonna start with cane sugar. I have 5 cups here, and I want you to keep in mind that when your sugar gets wet, it will shrink down. So I'm actually aiming to make 4 cups of the sugar scrub. So I'm gonna start with 5 cups of cane sugar. I'm also gonna be using loose green tea. Loose green tea has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also energizing, as well as matcha green tea powder, which is going to give our sugar scrub a great color. And then I'm going to be using fractured coconut oil, which is in a liquid form and is odorless. However, if you happen to have cold pressed coconut oil at home, you can use this and just melt it down. That's fine. And then I'm going to be using spearmint essential oil. So, ready to get started? For the first step, I'm going to take 6 tablespoons of fractioned coconut oil. You can also just melt down your cold pressed coconut oil. And I'm going to add to that carrier oil about 40 drops of spearmint essential oil, till it has a nice fragrance that I love. And then I'm going to just give this a stir and set it aside for a moment. And then I'm going to take 3/4 of a cup of warm water, not boiling hot, warm. And I'm going to add to that 1 tablespoon of matcha green tea powder for a light green color, or use 3 tablespoons of matcha green tea powder for a dark green color. Give that a stir and really get it to dissolve so it's, looks like tea. Once my powder has dissolved, I'm gonna combine the 2 liquid mixtures, like so. Mix those together. And then I'm gonna add my cane sugar here. And you're gonna see just like what a gorgeous color this is gonna be. And while I'm mixing this up, let me just say that I'm making this as part of a Bath Lovers DIY gift basket. In fact, I'm making 8 gift baskets. It's gonna take me less than 2 hours to make them all, and it's gonna be very, very cheap compared to a store-bought Bath Lovers gift basket. And I'm going to be giving these out for holiday gifts this year. If you'd like to get the recipes for the other items in my holiday gift basket, which include Rosy Bubbles Bubble Bath, all natural, and Christmas bath salts, you can just check out my channel. Now I'm adding the loose green tea, giving that a mix. And then that's all there is to it. Now I have this really beautiful, deep green, amazing smelling sugar scrub that's going to really help my skin exfoliate. Plus the coconut oil in here has a great moisturizing effect. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to get my other recipes and follow along as we make our gift baskets, please join me and subscribe to my channel.